In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Exness. Now, the first thing you want to do once you're in the dashboard on Exness, you want to click on Payments and Wallet over here on the left, and then you want to click on Withdrawal. Now here, it's going to show you a bunch of different withdrawal methods, and as you can see, these are all of them. You can just select the one you would like, okay? So for example, you can go for a bank transfer, Binance Pay, Skrill, or whatever. I'm gonna go for bank transfer right now. Just select the one you want. And then here, you're going to be given the option to actually reselect your payment method again over here. And then you can select the currency. Well, some of them will allow you to actually select the currency as well. Here, you have to basically select the account you would like to withdraw from, and then the amount as well. So 10 is the minimum, as you can see, 10 USD, and then 6,200 is my maximum right now, okay? Of course, I have no balance on here, so I won't be able to withdraw, but I'll just show you how to do it. So you type in the number you'd like to do. Here, it's going to basically tell you how much you'll withdraw, how long it's going to take, and then the fees as well. And then if you don't know how to do it, if you still need any additional info, you can click on their frequently asked questions over here. And then when it says to be withdrawn, if you agree with that, click on continue. Just put in your details of your, of course, payment method over here, and you'll be able to withdraw that way. Now, of course, this is going to differ depending on which way you choose over here. So either Binance Pay, Neteller, Skrill, or whatever. It's going to, of course, differ a bit, but all of these payment methods are very easy to go through. Just follow the basically steps on the screen, and then you'll be good to go when you press continue. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.